You move to Portugal for the sunshine, the lifestyle, maybe even the tax breaks. But one wrong step with the law, and things can get messy fast. I'm Lisbob, your expat assistant, and in this video, I'll show you 7 legal mistakes that many foreigners make in Portugal. Some seem harmless. Others, they could cost you thousands, or even get you deported. Let's make sure that doesn't happen to you. Not registering your residency on time. By law, if you're an EU citizen staying more than 90 days, you must register your residency with the local Câmara Municipal. Many expats delay this or don't even know it's required, but it's a legal obligation. Non-EU citizens, you need a proper visa before even entering Portugal. Failing to do this doesn't just risk fines. It could also cause problems later with banks, healthcare, or renewing your residency. Don't assume things are casual here, just because the vibe is relaxed. The bureaucracy might be slow, but they never forget. Signing contracts you don't understand in Portuguese. From rental agreements to employment or service contracts, many documents are only in Portuguese, and too many expats just sign without reading, or worse, without understanding. Some landlords or agencies might take advantage of that. Clauses about repairs, exit penalties, or rent increases can catch you off guard. Always ask for a translated version, or better, have a trusted local or lawyer review it. It might feel like overkill, but it's a lot cheaper than a legal battle. Driving without valid documentation? Think your foreign driver's license is enough? Maybe, but only temporarily. EU citizens can exchange theirs, but must do so within 90 days of declaring residency. Non-EU citizens often need to exchange or take a test. Many expats drive around for years illegally without knowing it, until they get stopped. And driving without proper documentation in Portugal, it can lead to fines, points on your license, or worse, invalid insurance. Don't take the risk. Check what's valid and update your paperwork early. By the way, if you're just getting started in Portugal, the first thing you'll need is a NIF, tax number. Don't worry, we can help you get it online in just a few days at www.nif.portugal.com. Working or freelancing without the right registration. Doing some freelance gigs while waiting for your paperwork? Running a remote business? That's great, but Portugal still expects you to register as a freelancer, as trabalhador independente, and issue legal invoices, even for foreign clients. Working under the radar might seem harmless, but if the tax office catches on, you could face audits, fines, or even retroactive tax claims. Registering is a process, yes, but not registering can be much more expensive. Assuming your taxes are automatically handled. One of the biggest misunderstandings. People think their taxes are taken care of just because they have a NIF or a bank account. Wrong. In Portugal, you are responsible for filing your taxes correctly, even if you have no income here. If you're a resident, you might have to declare worldwide income. Missing deadlines, failing to report foreign accounts, or assuming your accountant already did it can bring serious headaches. Always double-check, and when in doubt, ask a tax expert. Using the wrong address on official documents. It seems minor, but not updating your address on official records, like finances, SEF, SMMA, or even your bank, can cause huge problems. You might miss critical letters, tax notifications, or residency renewal appointments. And in Portugal, not receiving the letter is not an excuse. It's your legal duty to keep your address up to date. Make it a habit. If you move, update everything immediately, especially with finances and immigration services. Ignoring deadlines for visa/residency renewals. Your visa or residency card is not a set-it-and-forget-it document. Portugal requires timely renewal, and the dates creep up faster than you think, especially with the SEF delays. Miss the window and you could find yourself in an illegal situation overnight. Worse, some permits can't be renewed late, meaning you'd have to start the whole process from scratch. Always check your card's expiry, book renewals early, and save every email or receipt as proof of compliance. Portugal is generous and welcoming, but also full of paperwork, rules, and legal gray zones. If you want to avoid expensive mistakes and enjoy a stress-free life here, stay informed, stay registered, and never assume the system will do things for you. Want to make sure your first step in Portugal is legal and smooth? Start by getting your NIF at www.nif.portugal.com. And if you want more tips to survive and thrive in Portugal, check out this next video right here.